We'll cover installing the pasta cutter attachment on the side mount Imperia RMN220. This is what the side of the machine looks like. Notice the receptacle for the pin. This is what the side of the cutter attachment looks like. Install the supplied pin into the cutter attachment. Notice the tabs on the machine. Match them up with the tabs on the cutter attachment. Push in and turn clockwise. Let's see that from another angle. If the pin is not lining up with both the cutter attachment and the machine, you can use a supplied crank handle to adjust the position on the cutter attachment. To remove the cutter attachment, simply turn counterclockwise and pull out of the machine.